A high-protein keto diet may be best for bodybuilders. The right diet plays a crucial role in achieving your fitness goals. One diet that's been gaining traction among bodybuilders is the high-protein keto diet. Combining the principles of a high-protein intake with the metabolic state of ketosis, this dietary approach offers a unique way to transform your physique. Understanding the high-protein keto diet. The high-protein keto diet merges the concepts of high-protein intake and the ketogenic diet. While traditional ketogenic diets emphasize high fat and very low carbohydrate intake, the high-protein keto diet modifies this by emphasizing a higher protein intake while maintaining a low carbohydrate consumption to induce ketosis. Muscle growth and repair. Protein is the building block of muscles. For bodybuilders, consuming enough protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. The high-protein aspect of this diet provides the amino acids needed to support these processes, helping you recover from intense workouts and promoting muscle hypertrophy. Ketosis and fat utilization. The high-protein keto diet shifts your body into ketosis by significantly reducing carbohydrate intake. In ketosis, your body utilizes fat instead of carbohydrates as its primary fuel source. This can be advantageous for bodybuilders aiming to shed excess body fat while maintaining lean muscle mass. Enhanced fat loss. The combination of protein intake and ketosis can enhance fat loss. Protein has a high thermic effect, requiring more energy to digest, which can boost your metabolism. Additionally, ketosis can increase fat oxidation, further aiding in fat loss. Sustained energy and focus. Contrary to concerns about reduced energy on a low-carb diet, the high-protein keto diet can provide sustained energy levels. Protein provides a steady release of energy, and ketones produced during ketosis are a highly efficient fuel source for the brain, promoting mental clarity and focus. Adequate micronutrient intake. While focusing on macronutrients, it's crucial not to neglect micronutrients. Include a variety of nutrient-dense foods to ensure you're getting essential vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens, nuts, and seeds can be excellent choices to meet your micronutrient needs. Balancing protein and ketosis. Maintaining the right balance between protein intake and ketosis is key. Consuming too much protein might hinder ketosis through gluconeogenesis, where excess protein is converted into glucose. Finding the sweet spot that supports muscle growth and ketosis is essential. Planning your meals. Effective meal planning is essential for success on the high-protein keto diet. Incorporate lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish and plant-based options such as tofu and tempeh. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Staying hydrated. As ketosis can lead to increased water loss, staying hydrated is crucial. Drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to your routine to prevent dehydration and support muscle function. Consistency and patience. Like any diet or fitness regimen, consistency and patience are key. The high-protein keto diet might require adjustment as your body adapts to using ketones for fuel. Stay committed, monitor your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Incorporating the principles of a high-protein keto diet can be a promising strategy for bodybuilders aiming to achieve optimal muscle growth and fat loss. Combining the benefits of protein intake and ketosis offers a unique pathway to sculpting your physique.